Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video we're going to get a look at the i12 TWS clone AirPods experience. And yes, I did purchase an i12 TWS a while back, except the fact that they're a bit different. They were the earlier versions of the i12 TWS, so these are supposedly should be the later upgraded versions of the i12. And for under $15, I think it was worth taking the chance. So let's go ahead and do this. So let's unbox this. And of course, I'm an affiliate with GearBest. And if you're interested, links in the description. So these guys in particular, the i12s, come in different colors. If you were wondering about that, they have black, they have gray, they have green, and they have, well, actually it's red, but it's gonna be a bit more red pinkish. All right, so on the side here, they give you a bit of some of the features. It's auto power on, auto pairing, and it's touch using Siri, and of course open the lid and connect automatically. Now the earlier i12s that I had, which I did buy for about $40, did not have the open up lid for pairing mode. Okay, so, and of course the ones I got earlier were they had the red stripe here, and it didn't have all that additional information all around it. And of course true wireless stereo, i12 auto pairing, auto power, auto pairing, and Bluetooth 5.0. So for under $15, guys, please don't expect much, but here it is, and let's go ahead and open it up. Let's just even hope that it's got some battery life inside of it to kick things off. And again, it's a cloudy day, it's raining. If you're picking up the rain, then I'm sorry about that, but if you do like the rain in the background, then that's a bonus for me, right? So upon opening it up, nice box setup, great presentation so far. And again, for under 15 bucks, I like what I'm seeing. Okay, so we got the plastic here. In the box itself, we got the guide. Let's take this out. It's got a lightning charging cable, of course, a very cheap looking cable. Just keeping it real with you guys. Again, for under $15, what do you expect? Alright, so auto pairing, once again, TWS. And here's the colors that I were talking about. It's orange, sometimes it looks red, sometimes it's red pink. That's a plane passing by. It's black, gray, mint, and then white. Of course, I got the white version. And it looks like, depending on the colors, the prices will be a bit different. The black one seems to be $1 more when looking at other listings. Alright, so just to see what's what. Okay, and if you guys are new to this channel, just leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to take pictures of the manual, and I'll post it on my Facebook page. Yes, I do have a Facebook page. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this plastic. Can you guys just let me pause this video so I won't lengthen the video just to remove the plastic? Alright, so I'm back, and I was able to pop it open, quickly test it out to see if it actually pairs and everything, so it won't be a video waste and an embarrassment. So what I did is went ahead and grabbed an older iPhone of mine, the iPhone 7 Plus, to kind of test out the pairing process and how it works, because I noticed it did mention about pop-up animation vibes kind of thing. So we'll go to settings here. Give me a second, let me bring down this brightness. How do you bring down the brightness? Yeah. Okay, yeah, I haven't used this phone in a while. So we'll go to settings, and then we'll go to Bluetooth, and of course we will enable the Bluetooth settings. Okay, so as you have on your Bluetooth settings, guys, you will open up the lid. You're gonna see the blinking lights on the inside. Now, I didn't remove it from the case yet, so I think what's gonna happen is we're gonna have to actually hold the button on the back of the case to enable pairing mode. So we'll do that. Hold it down, and you'll see that they'll blink like this, the blue and red lights. And there's the pop-up animation. It will show up as AirPods, and then we'll select connect, and it'll say connecting. Now, this was not similar to the first set of i12 that I had. It did not have pop-up animation. So it'll show up as AirPods, but the bad news is they will remain as i12 on your phone. Okay, so you'll get the whole fun pop-up animation, they'll show up as AirPods, and they'll say connected and all that stuff, but once it connects, it will remain as i12. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and remove them from the case itself, and I can quickly see that these guys does not have a identical look to the real deal. Okay, so close out the case, and then there's no pairing lights, so that's a good thing, and or blinking lights for them individually while they are not in use or in use. So you can see for yourself, they don't look like AirPods. The real AirPods would have that additional dot there and an additional dot on that side here, and then this is kind of further out, and the pins, of course, that's that. So all in all, so far, great pairing experience or connecting experience. I think these will be a better purchase compared to the first set of i12s that I got. And of course, you know me already. I'm gonna go ahead and use them, test them out, see how it works, if the battery life is improved compared to the first generation of the i12s. And it is what it is, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments section. And of course, you know, check out the affiliate links once again. And thanks for watching.